Hi there, this is Kyoko from Cotton and Cloud. In today's video, I will show you how to assemble the knitted clock. The actual knitting pattern for this clock can be found in Simply Knitting, issue 101. For this clock, you need a clock movement, then the actual clock part, which is the cardboard, wadding, and the actual knitted clock parts, and some tools. So the first thing we're going to do is to make a hole at the center of the cardboard and the wadding. As you can see, that the most important thing is that you're able to insert the gold metal part through like this. We're now going to attach the wadding onto a cardboard. Make sure that the positions of two holes are matching to each other. Okay, so we are now going to graft the cast-on edges of the front and back knitted pieces with the wrong side facing each other. Okay, leaving the gap about a third or a quarter of the circumference, we're now ready to insert the padded cardboard into the knitted piece with the wadding side facing up. Now continue to graft until the end. Okay, so we're now ready to assemble the clock movement. This is the front and this is the back of the movement, and I've already attached this silver part so that we can hang on the wall. The first thing we're going to do is to insert this gold part into the center of the knitted clock with the narrow screw part facing down. Place the rubber ring onto the front of the movement. Then attach the movement at the back of the clock. The large cable motif indicates 12, 3, 6 and 9 o'clocks. So make sure that the movement is upright at the right direction. We're now going to attach the clock needles in order of hour, minutes, and then, if you have one, seconds. Because I don't have a seconds needle, I only need this gold cap. This little ring is only used if you have a seconds needle. The hour needle has this raised part, so this part will face down when I insert into the clock movement. When you place the hour needle onto the clock, make sure that there is a little gap just underneath the needle so that when the clock turns, the needle doesn't get stuck onto the cable. Attach the minutes needle. Then place the little cap on top of it. Then set the time and insert the battery at the back of the movement. And that's the end of the tutorial. Thanks for watching and enjoy the knitted clock.